This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Whatever you do, do not click off this video. This is scammy Queenie. Do not trust her. She will say anything to make some money. I don't even know how she got onto this channel in the first place. But I am legit Queenie, and I'm going to share with you some side hustle ideas which you can do completely remotely from home. So you can essentially choose your own hours, work from home, and also earn some pretty decent money as well. So let's jump into the video. So the first side hustle idea is freelancing. And by freelancing, I mean using skills that you pretty much already have or skills that you can easily learn and do this for clients and customers. You can do freelancing for pretty much any skill. Perhaps you're a web developer, or you're a web designer, or you're a graphic designer, a digital marketer, a video editor, the list goes on. There are so many different jobs out there which are available for freelancers, and they pay really well as well. There are also so many different websites that you can use to find freelancing jobs, including Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr, just to name a few. And there are also a lot of Facebook groups which do post a lot of freelancing jobs. And by the way, I would love to know down in the comments below, do you have a side hustle, or do you have a side hustle idea? And if you would like to help me take my side hustle to the next level, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel with the bell notifications on. So the second side hustle idea is to start a podcast. So we are all passionate about something in our lives, and if you do have a really strong passion for something, perhaps a really great side hustle for you is to start a podcast. And the way that you can make money through a podcast is by affiliate marketing, which is similar to how I make money on YouTube. You can put some links in your podcast description, and for every person that signs up to one of your links, you'll also get a kickback from that. You can also earn money from a podcast by getting sponsors on board to sponsor some of your episodes. And I've just noticed that podcasts in the last couple of years have really started to take off. And I don't know about you guys, but I've been listening to podcasts a lot more this year than any other year, really. So I think that if you do have something that you're really passionate about, podcasting and Spotify and iTunes are a really great place to perhaps even start and dip your toes into. The great thing about starting a podcast is you pretty much only need a microphone in order to start, and you can do it anyway. I've also noticed that Spotify has really started to double down on podcasts as well. And apparently they are trying to rival YouTube a little bit with their Spotify algorithm and actually serve you podcasts which are suited to your interests. So I think that if you do want to start a side hustle this year, podcasting is definitely a good one to look into. Another side hustle that you could start is teaching or tutoring. You could teach or tutor a subject that you were really good at in high school or university. You could also even teach English online. So there are some websites like Teachaway which allow you to teach English online from the comfort of your own home. So this is a really great way to earn some extra money on the side and do it completely remotely. So the fourth side hustle idea is YouTube and making a YouTube channel. So similar to the podcast example, I think that we do have something that we're all really passionate about. And I think it's just amazing to be able to share that passion with the world and to help other people on their journey, whatever it is. Maybe you're really passionate about gardening, or maybe you're really passionate about productivity or minimalism. I guarantee you that there will be a YouTube niche out there that suits your interests as well. And honestly, starting a YouTube channel has been one of the best things that I've ever done in my life. I never really thought that I'd be able to have this much fun from a side hustle. So I really think that if I can do it, and if I can build up a side hustle like this, anyone can really do it. So there are a few different ways that you can make money from YouTube. And the first way is through YouTube ads. So you would have seen before you started this video, there was an ad at the beginning of my video. So I actually get a revenue share from Google from the advertiser. And another way that you can make money through YouTube is from affiliate links. So if you have a look in my description below, I have a bunch of affiliate links where if you sign up, we both get free money or free stocks. And another way that you can make money through YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. So those are the three main ways that you can make money through YouTube, and there are honestly so many other countless opportunities that you can make from starting a YouTube channel or a podcast. The list really goes on. It is honestly endless. So the next side hustle idea is copywriting. There are so many businesses out there which have websites which need content to be constantly updated. And that's the reason why copywriters are in really high demand at the moment. When I first started in digital marketing, this is what I actually started doing. So I was actually writing articles for different companies that I was working for. So it can also be a really great foot in the door to the career of digital marketing. And if you have an interest in copywriting, you can check out websites like LinkedIn, Freelancer, Airtasker, and also Facebook groups. And the great thing about copywriting is you can work completely remotely, and you can also choose your own hours. You can also earn quite a decent income from it. I know some content writers who earn $400 by writing blog articles. So I think it is definitely a profitable side hustle if you do have a passion in writing. Another side hustle that you could start is an e-commerce business. There are so many awesome free resources that you can find on YouTube to learn how to set up your own e-commerce business. And there are also some paid courses that you can do on Udemy and Teachable, which can help you learn how to set up your own e-commerce business. I think lately all of us have noticed the rise in e-commerce and people using online shopping. E-commerce is a really profitable industry because the rate at which people are buying things online and buying things from e-commerce websites is just growing so rapidly. And the great thing about starting your own e-commerce business is you can make money pretty much passively if you do set up all of your stores to run pretty much on autopilot. I actually have my own e-commerce false eyelashes business, and it was just such a fun process starting it and learning how an e-commerce business works. I currently do have quite a lot of customers who do come back to me on a regular basis, and it's pretty much passive income from now on out because I have built up that strong customer base and they are making repeat purchases. And that leads me into the next side hustle idea, which is dropshipping. So dropshipping and e-commerce websites are quite similar, but there is a bit of a key difference when it comes to an e-commerce website and dropshipping. So dropshipping is when you essentially don't really purchase a product. So whenever somebody purchases a product from your website, you pretty much buy that product from Alibaba, and then Alibaba will ship off that product to your customer. The great thing about dropshipping websites opposed to e-commerce websites is you don't have to spend a lot of money up front buying stock. So with an e-commerce business, you will probably need to spend quite a bit of money getting your packaging done and buying stock for your business, whereas a dropshipping website doesn't have a lot of those upfront costs. So it is a little bit more low risk. The downside of having a dropshipping store is that you can't really control the customer experience and the quality of your products and the shipping time, since you are essentially relying on Alibaba to ship off their products to your customers. So that's one of the downsides of dropshipping, in my opinion. It can be quite difficult to build that strong customer loyalty with dropshipping customers because you don't really have that good customer service and you don't really have that brand and packaging. So let's get into the next side hustle, which is starting a blog. So blogging is another way to turn your passion into an income generating side hustle. So by blogging, you can make money in a variety of different ways. You can make money from ads on your blogs. Similar to having a YouTube channel, if you do put display advertising on your blog, you can actually start to earn a commission from whatever the advertiser pays Google. You can also put affiliate links in your blog to start to earn some money from affiliates and people that are reading your blog. And finally, you can also do sponsorships and brand deals. So another side hustle idea is completing online surveys. So there are a variety of websites that you can use to do online surveys and actually start to earn some pretty decent money from it. So I think that there's never been a more exciting time to start a side hustle than right now, because we live in this amazing age where we just have so many opportunities at our fingertips. But of course, when there are lots of opportunities, there are also so many decisions to be made, like which side hustle should I choose? Does it have to be my forever side hustle? What happens if it doesn't work out? These are all things that I've definitely considered along my personal finance journey, and I also wanted to give you a little bit of advice from somebody who has started multiple different side hustles, some which absolutely bombed and didn't work out at all, and some that actually did work out and I'm still doing today. And that is that the most important thing to do when you are starting a side hustle is just to start, because you never really know where it's going to end up. And even if your business fails and it doesn't really work out, well, at least you've learned so many things which will make your next side hustle even better. I think that failures are really just lessons and learnings in disguise. And I know I do sound like one of those. So hopefully this year will be the year that you do start that side hustle. So those are some side hustle ideas that you can do completely remotely and from home. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and I would love to know, do you guys have a side hustle? Let me know what it is or what you're thinking of starting down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And if you'd like to see some more videos, I've got some links to some videos here, so make sure you click the links and click through to another video.